What's the meaning of bagpipes? Bagpipes. Bagpipes.
Bagpipes. Bagpipes. Bagpipes are a musical instrument that originated in Scotland and are commonly associated with the traditional music and culture of the country. They consist of a bag, which is filled with air, and several pipes which are attached to the bag. The player blows into the bag, filling it with air, and then squeezes the bag with their arm to force the air through the pipes. The pipes produce a distinct, loud, and almost haunting sound that is instantly recognizable. Bagpipes are often played at formal events such as weddings and funerals, and are also popular in various forms of folk music around the world.